All right, last one. My valve is not opening properly.
Yeah, it gets to be a little sticky over time. O-rings, again, might swell, start to dry out. Best thing to do is shut your water off here. Make sure your air's off. And then what we do is, depending on the valve you're working with, say it's number 1 over here, we'll push the bypass, drain all the product out, and we'll take a pair of channel lock pliers and then slowly start taking the cap off. Be careful because it is spring loaded. There is a spring right underneath this cap.
Okay.
We got the spring and the cap, and the piston is down inside there. So then you want to disconnect your injector. And then with our rebuild kits, we sell little dowels, but if you don't have one, we've had customers use kind of a flat-nosed Allen wrench, longer one. Go up through the middle, give it a pop.
Yeah.
Pull the piston out, inspect your O-rings. You want to lube it up. Put some Sil Glide on around this one and in the middle. Put it back in, push it all the way down. And once you get the cap back on, give it a nice little snug.
Can you over tighten it?
If you over tighten it, you'll probably crack it.
Yeah.
So you just want to do it nice quarter turn.